Welcome, here I've got ASUS ROG Phone 5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by tapping on this button from the right. So hi again, and now let's move to the left corner to this one. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. And here we have Save as Mirrored Photo option, so by using the button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.